Hey everybody, I'm Elisa and I live part-time in my Toyota RAV4. Today I'm going to show you everything I keep in my car to keep me safe and alive and comfortable sometimes. We're going to start with the kitchen. I keep all of my kitchen supplies under my bed. Let's look at everything I keep in here. I have 2 collapsible sinks. These are very useful to wash dishes or just to collect water for whatever you need. And they can fit into each other just like that. I have a cutting board. I have a pan. You can remove the handle so that it's easier to store. A portable stove. As you can see, I burnt the rice and I'm having a hard time removing the stains, but it works. I use this to make coffee in the morning. It's an AeroPress. Then I have a cup, and to be honest, I hate this cup. As soon as you put hot water, hot coffee in here, the cup itself gets so hot you can barely drink from it. The handles are burning hot, so don't buy this. A bowl, I can use this for salads or just whatever. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, just one plate. Spoon, knife and fork, and a regular knife. In case I want to grill something, a lighter, some dishwashing supplies, and a storage bin. I also have a few of these just in case I need to dry something up. I also just bought this stove, single burner stove. As you can see, I have not used it yet. This is what I call my garage. I have things such as duct tape, pliers, scissors, a sewing kit, screwdriver, measuring tape, just the essentials. My dry food bag. In here, I keep things such as condiments, oatmeal, peanut butter, coffee creamer, tea, rice, and beans, pasta, granola. I also just got this Yeti cooler. It was very expensive, so I feel a little guilty about buying this, but hopefully I can find it useful sometimes. Some of my weapons include pepper spray and a taser. Oh, heavy. A 3-gallon water bottle with, it's heavy, with an electric dispenser. Watch. Paper towel, wipes, and some cleaning juice. Now, moving to the closet, I got this trunk at Walmart for about $30. And there's a little bit of space here between the trunk and the wall of the car. I use this space for towels and bathroom items that I don't use every day. I have this bag here full of bathroom supplies. I don't use it very often, so I'm gonna just throw it back here. I also keep my laundry detergent back here. And it makes the car smell good. I also have these larger shampoo, conditioner, and body wash containers I keep back here. Now I keep my towels on top of those items. I only have 2 medium-sized towels and a small towel, and a beach towel. Now I can open my closet and start organizing my clothes. I use these cubes to organize my clothes. Everything is separated according to type. For example, I keep my pants in this large one, long sleeve shirts, underwear, socks. Now the bathroom and shower makeup supplies that I need every day, I keep in this little container, and I keep it in the front of the car for whenever I go to the gym. I can just put this in my bag. This is the backpack I use to go to the gym, to go take a shower, to if I ever stay in a hotel or somebody else's house, I use this bag. It's very convenient because I can fit my bathroom supplies, my toothbrush, my makeup, my brushes, my hair dryer. I also have this very convenient lock that I use when I go to the gym. This is my bed. I have a 4-inch mattress. This platform is made out of plywood. It's 75 inches long and 27 inches wide. This was necessary because when you put the seats down in this car, you don't have a flat surface. It's a little bit sloped. It's actually 6 inches lower in the back than in the front. So I have 6-inch tall legs here in the back to elevate the bed, which turns out to be very convenient because it gives me some extra storage space where I keep my kitchen. Just like on the other side, between the bed and the wall of the car, there's a little bit of space. I keep my medications and vitamins, things like that back here. My hat, and also my window shades from WeatherTech. fits right there. I was keeping this blanket in the storage box I have on my car, but I took it down because I'm in Michigan now and it's actually a little cold at night. This is the blanket I use every day. My car is very black and white. There's not a lot of color in here. I did that on purpose. I wanted to keep people from looking in. Things that are black or dark gray are less noticeable. But I'm starting to think that I want a little bit more color, so maybe I'll get new blankets or something that gives this a little bit more life and more excitement. And oh, 2 pillows. What I call my little storage bin, my garage, goes right under my bed. I also keep some extra garbage bags down here. Most of my kitchen supplies fit right under my bed. I also have this little vacuum cleaner. Very useful. My car gets dirty all the time, so I'm always constantly vacuuming my car. I have a Jackery 500. I keep it in the back seat behind the driver. I usually have things plugged in. These are my camera batteries, my phone charger, my vacuum cleaner charger. I try to keep the space kind of empty so that I can sit up here and put my legs down. In this little space here in the middle is where I keep my bathroom supplies, my everyday makeup and bathroom supplies. I keep my laptop in this little space here between my bed and my seat. On this side under my bed, I keep my 15-pound weights that I barely ever use, my tennis shoes, and my sandals. Also, this is where I keep my dirty laundry. And my vacuum cleaner. I also have these window shades. I keep these in the door. Window screens and umbrella go here. Behind the driver's seat, I also have my little trash can with trash bags and my curtain. I did this all by myself. I figured out how to keep this rod up here, and it works. It works at night. I just close it and I can go to sleep peacefully back here. The front seat is also part of my kitchen. I keep my dry food here, and somehow I try to fit this Yeti cooler on the floor in the front seat as well. Doesn't always work. This compartment here is full of cables, chargers, electronic things, and camera stuff in here. Yep, this goes right here. It fits. Somehow I make it fit. I don't know if this cooler was a good idea. I don't have a lot of space and I don't use it that much. Wipes go in here, paper towels go back here, and I keep my coins right here. I use these for laundry or towels. And this here is the junk drawer, just a bunch of random things. My water bottle. Now, talking about the things I keep in my storage box, 2 chairs, a yoga mat that I never use, a table. Just to save myself some work, I'm not gonna take everything I keep up there down to show you, but I can see from here I have a hammock, I have some extra cables, some extra clothes in case I get cold, water filter, another bag, raincoat, and some other tarps, things like that, things for the rain. A jumper, an emergency jumper, battery or cable for the car. If my battery dies, I have this. Hiking boots, a shower bag, and my gazebo tent. So that's it. That's everything I have in here. So thanks so much. I'll see you next time.